In this video, we will learn how to switch Instagram to creator account. So let's start. Open your Instagram. So here you can see I open my Instagram on laptop. So you can easily switch your account to creator account. Okay. So you can see the left hand side have some menu list. Just click on the more option. Then click on the settings option. In setting, just drag below and you can see here the one group for professionals, account type and tool. Just click on it, then click on the account type, switch to professional account. Here two option available, to creator and as a businessman. So which best describe you? So I'm going to switch my Instagram account to creator. The creator account best for the public figure, content producer, artist and influencer. Just select it to switch to creator account. Just click on the next, and here the selector, I'd select the art and click on the done. That's it, your Instagram creator account is ready. Just done. And here you can see in settings, just drag below the creator tools and controls, one tab here added. With this, the dashboard tab also added. You can check here your all insight of your professional dashboard. Okay, so this is a way you can switch to creator account. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.